Hello, dear parents. Welcome to one of the most exciting stages of your baby's growth, introducing solid foods. This process is a wonderful adventure where your little miracle will discover new tastes and get acquainted with brand new flavors. However, you might have many questions. When should I start? Which foods are safe? Which method is better? Don't worry, this video will be your guide, providing science-backed answers to all these questions and, most importantly, completely original recipes. Are we ready? Every baby is different, but we know that introducing solid foods generally occurs around the 6-month mark. So, what are the signs that your baby is ready? Can they sit up unsupported and hold their head steady? This is crucial to reduce the risk of choking. Do they show interest in and reach for food when it's brought close to their mouth? A curious attitude towards food is a good sign. Has the tongue thrust reflex diminished? Babies adapt more easily to solids once they lose this reflex that pushes solid food out. Do they watch their parents eat and mimic mouth movements? This is another sign of readiness. Purees or blah method options when introducing solids. There are two main approaches: traditional puree feeding and baby-led weaning blah. Puree method involves feeding pured foods. The parent has more control, and allergen tracking is easier. Baby-led weaning blah allows the baby to self-feed. It helps develop the baby's chewing, swallowing skills, and hand-eye coordination. Namely not, whichever method you choose, it is vital to have first aid knowledge and to know the signs of choking. Please do not hesitate to do additional research on this topic. Safe beginnings and allergen tracking. One of the most important considerations when starting solids is safety and allergen tracking. Start one at a time. Introduce each new food individually for at least 3 days. This allows you to easily identify a potential allergic reaction. Common allergens. Introduce common allergens like peanuts, eggs, dairy, wheat, soy, fish, and shellfish carefully and with your doctor's recommendation. Portion control. Initially, very small amounts are sufficient. Remember, solid foods are for tasting at the beginning. Breast milk or formula remains the primary source of nutrition. Original and delicious recipes for your little gourmand. Now, let's get to the most fun part. Here are 3 original and nutritious recipes that will develop your baby's palate and become parent favorites. Recipe 1. Happy carrot and apple puree. 6+ months for this sweet start. We're using just 1 small carrot and 1 sweet apple. Peel and dice the carrot and apple. Steam them with a little water until soft. Then blend them with a bit of breast milk or formula until smooth. This recipe will be your baby's first sweet vegetable-fruit combination. Thanks to its fiber and vitamins, it also supports your baby's digestion. Green Power Bomb, broccoli and pea puree. 7+ months. For slightly older babies, this green power bomb is a fantastic option. Steam a few broccoli florets and a handful of fresh peas. Then add a teaspoon of olive oil and a small amount of water or breast milk, and blend until smooth. Broccoli and peas are packed with amazing vitamins and minerals that support your baby's immune system. Recipe 3. Super Grain Breakfast Porridge. 8+ months. For breakfasts, here's a nutritious and filling alternative: Super Grain Breakfast Porridge. Cook half a small cup of fine rolled oats with 1 cup of water or breast milk or formula on low heat, stirring constantly until it thickens. Remove from heat, add half a mashed banana, and mix well. Optionally, you can also add a tiny bit of organic carrot molasses. This recipe, with its fibrous structure, aids digestion and keeps your baby feeling full for a long time. Remember, introducing solid foods means your baby explores the world through a different sensory experience. Be patient, keep experimenting, and most importantly, make this process enjoyable. Every new attempt is a discovery, and every new taste is an adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also inspire other parents by writing your baby's favorite first food in the comments section. See you in our next video. Stay loving.